Lieutenant Peter Holy from the Lynn Police Department. This is Lynn's Youth Drop-In Center, which turns 10 years old this summer. We're here to provide a safe environment for the kids. As they come in, they dictate the activity. You know, some girls are playing volleyball, kids are playing basketball, some are playing football. We ensure a safe, secure environment for them.
It's just seeing everybody working hard and keeping people off the streets. I mean, Friday nights you hear about people even getting in trouble, just even the occasional robbing houses, getting into fights. It just keeps kids off the streets and it just keeps them in a good spot and just keeps them active and busy. Yeah, the value it has to the city is just keeping kids off the street, keeping them busy, active, and just keeping them out of trouble.
The Lynn DPW hosts the Teen Drop-In Center program held at the Lynn Tech Gymnasium through the winter and spring seasons. Since September of this year, 650 teens are registered to participate through April into May. Students range from 13 to 19 years old, and many are Lynn Public School students. To register, call Lisa Nerrick at 781-477-7096.